Jamaica,
evening.
watch this.
My name is Abigail Spencer. Came to the Lionel Town Hospital in Jamaican to complain of serious pains to my abdomen. And the doctor that looked at me, he was African, I don't remember his name, sent me back, said I'm not an emergency case. I should wait until after the holiday, after the Easter holiday, because I come here in the holiday break to see doctor and I'm not an emergency case, I'm in serious pain. And they turned me back. The Lionel Town Hospital in Maypen said me must wait until after the holiday before me can see doctor. Mr. Tufton, sir, that's all my tax dollars them go. Me come hospital in a pain and me if go back, come back to the, I must go to the clinic. Me must go back to the clinic after the holidays finish. After the holidays finish before I can get assistance. Is that how my tax dollar is going now? Is that how the country running a patient come to the hospital to seek medical attention and they're being turned back until after the holiday? So I must wait until after Tuesday. Because that's when the holiday finish, after Tuesday, after Easter Monday, before I can officially see a doctor. Which I say I claim my Africa. Gave me 2 Panadol and sent me back to my yard. Sent back to my yard, so I must go home. So if anything happen over the period of time, when me there my yard, from now until Tuesday, I can sue no then. Yeah, I want to know if I can sue no because I seriously and truly want to know. I want to know